can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the meme coin Bonk. Over the last 1 week, Bonk is up 12%. Over the last 1 year, we have seen Bonk rally up by 40%. The altcoin market is having a nice time. We're waiting for an epic altcoin season. Bonk is among the top 10 meme coins we have in the cryptocurrency market. Currently trading around the market cap of $1.78 billion. How high can Bonk go in the coming days and the coming weeks? We look at Bonk's valuation against the US dollar. We look at some details about Bonk, and we'll also look at Bonk's market cap, which sits at the $1.77 billion level. Can we see it rally to as high as $10 billion or maybe even as high as $100 billion, just like Dogecoin in the last cycle? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Bonk currently trading around $0.000022. Bonk has a market cap of over $1.86 billion and a fully diluted market cap sitting at around $2 billion. More than 117,000 people are holding Bonk. The all-time high for Bonk came in 10 months ago. That was on the 20th of November 2024, and right now Bonk is down 61% from that all-time highs. If you look at Bonk's valuation against the US dollar, it's been a wild ride. After Bonk was launched in December of 2022, we saw Bonk rallying aggressively in January of 2023. That pump was massive. We saw Bonk giving us one of those epic meme coin bounce. You know how meme coins are very volatile. And in 7 days, Bonk went up by more than 18,000%. Now, the meme coin market is where you can get these huge gains to the moon, and the meme coin market is where you can easily lose all your money, as these meme coins could easily dump down to goblin town. Before you buy any meme coin, guys, you need to do adequate research and analysis, because after we saw Bonk pumping by more than 18,000% in January of 2023, we had to stomach a huge dump to goblin town. That huge dump to goblin town lasted for almost 300 days. Bonk just continued dumping aggressively to goblin town, losing around 97% of its value in the process. This is how these altcoins are. This is how these meme coins are. They are very volatile in both directions. What makes them to pump aggressively to the moon is exactly why they actually dump down to goblin town. But if you're smart enough, if you're patient enough to buy them when they are low and to sell them when they are high, you can make substantial gains for yourself. If you buy them when they are low, if you're patient enough to hold through the process, guys, you're always going to get rewarded for your patience by the market. We saw Bonk going from where it was trading in October of 2023. We saw it rallying aggressively when Solana was pumping to higher prices. Bonk was joining the process. We saw Bonk rallying crazily. And by the time we got to March of 2024, Bonk was up already another 25,000% in just 147 days. We saw Bonk rallying up crazily. $1,000 invested in Bonk just in October of 2023 would have returned over $250,000 when the bull market ended temporarily for Bonk in March of 2024. Good times are always in the meme coin market. If you can catch those huge waves to the upside, you'll be happy you did. Just one pump that Bonk did gave us more than a 250x. And at that top, a lot of market participants were foaming into Bonk. Bonk is the future. Bonk is the new Dogecoin. We're going to the moon, yada. That's one thing you have to avoid in the cryptocurrency market, guys. The higher we go, the more dangerous it becomes. But the higher we go, the more confident the crowd becomes, the more confident market participants are sure that we'll continue pumping to higher prices. The higher we go, the more you sell for some sweet profit. The higher you go, the more you want to scale out and protect your portfolio. Because when Bonk got to where it was trading in March of 2024, people were piling in. It was all-time high volume from Bonk. A lot of market participants were flipping their Bitcoin, Solana, and Ethereum to Bonk. Since then, yes, we have seen Bonk maybe set new all-time highs in November of 2024. That was another 157% pump to the upside. If you zoom out a little bit, you see that Bonk has just been going sideways for more than 600 days, and that's why you want to be very careful with these altcoins. Market participants have been buying, where we have seen Bonk going sideways. This distribution happening, we see markup happening for Bonk, where in just 150 days, guys, in less than 150 days, we saw Bonk rallying up by more than 24,000%. And it's no coincidence that Bonk spent the next 300 days just moving sideways. We saw markup, now we're seeing distribution. And yes, it's possible to set new all-time highs, but don't be shocked if by the end of the bull market, by the end of meme coin season, we see Bonk going from the all-time highs down back to gobbling town. Remember what I told you earlier in the video? Meme coins and altcoins are very volatile. You want to buy them when they are low, you want to sell them when they are high. The higher they go, the more market participants start singing Kumbaya. You don't want to be one of those market participants. If you want to buy some Bonk, you can buy Bonk on Binance, you can buy Bonk on Bybit, Coinbase Exchange, Upbit, OKX. Anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get Bonk right there. According to the one pager, Bonk is the first dog team meme coin on Solana. For the people, by the people, with 50% of the supply of the cryptocurrency airdropped to the Solana community. Bonk is similar to Shiba Inu and Dogecoin meme coins. It was launched in December of 2022 and led to an increase in the price of SOL token, a rise of 34% in 48 trading hours. So trading began on the 30th of December 2020, arousing genuine interest from the crypto community. And since then, Bonk has lifted up. Since then, Bonk has gone to the moon. If you look at sentiment right now in the cryptocurrency market, there's no grade in the market. Market participants are still expecting higher prices. So even with all the rally we're seeing in the meme coin market, even with all the rally we are seeing in the altcoin market, with Bitcoin near all-time highs, with Ethereum near $4,300, market participants still want more. They want higher prices, and we always see this happen at the end of a market cycle when we have high prices, but the crowd says higher. And altcoin season is around the corner. Historically, that's when meme coins like Bonk usually have wonderful time. We saw Bonk rallying hard in January of 2024. We saw Bonk also rallying hard towards the end of 2024, and coincidentally, that was when we saw altcoin season. If you don't know what altcoin season is, guys, if 75% of the top 50 coins do better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period, that is altcoin season. And over the next few days and the next few weeks, I will expect us to head firmly towards altcoin season. But historically, when we get to altcoin season, the game is almost over. Bitcoin dominance is dumping. That will always help meme coins in the market. It means new market participants are running not straight into Bitcoin, they're running into the altcoin market, they're running into the meme coin market. And if you take a look at the top meme coins we have in the cryptocurrency market, Dogecoin is there, Shiba Inu is there, Pepe, and Pogo Penguin, Memecoin, and Bonk. Bonk is the largest meme coin we have on the Solana blockchain, the first dog team meme coin on the blockchain. So I'll not be shocked if in the next few days and the next few weeks we see Bonk going on a bender. Again, guys, don't forget, the higher we go, the riskier it becomes. If you look at Bonk's market cap went to as high as $361 million in January of 2023. Then it had that 90+% dump to gobbling town. Bonk's market cap went down to a measly $13 million before it went on that big epic wave 3. Wave 3 is a wonder to behold. We saw Bonk rallying aggressively above $1 billion, even getting to as high as $3.3 billion, more than a 25,000% move, guys, in around 150 days. But since then, since when Bonk got to the billions, it has been consolidating. The higher we go, the dangerous it becomes. The higher we go, the harder it is for these meme coins to pump to outrageous valuations. And since when Bonk got to the $1.6 billion level, yes, we've seen it get to as high as $4.4 billion in market valuation. We've also seen it dump to as low as $781 million in market valuation. I'll not be shocked if we see Bonk at some point in time get to as high as $6 billion. But guys, don't get carried away. Sell for some sweet profit, because at some point in the time, nearest future, we're going to see Bonk dump back aggressively to gobbling town. Guys, drop it out in the comment section. Bonk is having a nice time right now. The meme coin market is having a nice time. Are you buying some Bonk? How high do you see Bonk going in the coming days and the coming weeks? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.